How are you? I hope that you will be fine. I am Aditya Vikram Rai from LPM Public School, and this school situated in Gola Bazar. Our last unit was World Tour. In World Tour, we have learned many topics related to different countries of the world, as like national flags of different countries. In this topic, we have learned that as like India, that is national flag of India is Tiranga, tricolor. So all country have its national flag. Okay, and after that we have learned national costumes around the world. That means different dressing items, dressing sense of different countries around the world. And after that we have learned food across the world, that is related with different types of food and their origin of different countries. And after that we have learned currency around the world, that was related with currency of different countries around the world, as like India's currency is rupee, USA currency is US dollar, United Kingdom's currency is UK dollar. Okay, and after that types of trains. In this chapter, in this topic, we have learned different types of trains of different countries and different cities. Okay, and after that we have learned kinds of houses that are related with different types of houses in different countries around the world. And after that we have learned world superlatives, as like largest flower, largest bird, highest dam, largest desert, largest country in the world. All were related with world superlatives. And after that we have learned meet the people, that is related with, as like the people of USA are called American, and the people of Canada are called Canadian, and the people of France are called Francian, French, and Japanese. And after that is unit third. We are studying this, and in first chapter unit third, that was know our country. In this topic we have learned many different largest superlatives. Largest public sector bank, that is State Bank of India. Largest state in area, Rajasthan. Largest museum, Indian Museum. Largest desert, Thar desert. Largest lake, Wular Lake, Kashmir. Biggest mosque, Jama Masjid, Delhi. Largest Gurudwara, Golden Temple, Amritsar. And after that we have learned our national flag, and in this topic we have learned that our national flag is tricolor, and each color in our national flag has a special significance and meaning. The saffron stands for courage, sacrifice and renunciation, and the white stands for purity, truth, peace and non-violence, and the green stands for prosperity and progress, and a wheel in the center stands for constant life. The wheel has 24 spokes. And after that our national flag was hoisted for the first time on 15th August. The national flag was hoisted for the first time by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The national flag was hoisted for the first time at the Red Fort in Delhi. Okay, so now today's topic is summer vacation. From name we can show that summer vacation. Okay, in summer vacations means the holiday we spend on hill station. Summer vacations, that means when students study in a school, they have summer vacations. In month of May and June, they have summer vacations. It is very hot in northern India. We know that the northern India is very hot during the summer month. We know that the northern India where we live is very hot in summer month. In summer month that is very hot. In schools, students get summer vacation during this time. And cause of what, there should be an summer vacation, there should be a summer vacation student get and school gets during this time. We go to hill station. Hill station are cold places, cool places. We go there for enjoy and for relax, to escape the according scorching heat of the sun. And we go there for we go to hill station to escape the scorching heat of the sun. It is very hot in northern India. We know that northern India is very hot during the summer months. In school, student get summer vacation during this time. In schools and students get summer vacation during this time. We go to hill stations to escape the according scorching heat of the sun. Okay. Now come on question. Complete the names of the hill stations. Complete the names of the hill stations. The names of state to which they belong are given for your help kit. Complete the names of the hill stations. The names of the states to which they belong are given for your help kit. There are some hill stations are given, and you have to complete the name of this hill station. And front of that, the states are given also. That is as like first hill station is that is started from L and end with A. That is Lonavala. That is Lonavala. 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 And that is in state Maharashtra. That is situated in Maharashtra state. Okay. Hill station Lonavala. That is situated in Maharashtra state. Lonavala. Lonavala is situated in Maharashtra state. And after that, on second, that is Mount Abu. Mount Mount Abu. Abu. Mount Abu. That is situated in state of Rajasthan. Mount Mount Abu. Abu. Mount Abu. That is situated in state of Rajasthan. And after that, on third, that is Ooty. OOTY. Ooty is situated in the state of Tamil Nadu. And the OOTY, Ooty is situated in the state of Tamil Nadu. And after that, there is Shillong. 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 That is situated in the state of Meghalaya. Shillong. Shillong. Shillong is situated in the state of Meghalaya. On fifth, there is Mannar. Munnar. Mannar, and that is related to Kerala. That is situated in the state of Kerala. And Munnar. Mannar, that is situated in the Kerala state. On sixth, there is Gulmarg. Gulmarg. Gulmarg, that is related with Kashmir, and that is situated in also Kashmir state. And after that, Gulmarg, Gulmarg, that is related to Kashmir and situated in the state of Kashmir. And after that, the next is Mussoorie. Mussorie, Mussoorie, and that is situated in the state of Uttarakhand. That is related with Uttarakhand, Dehradun. Mussorie, Mussoorie. Okay, that is related in Uttarakhand. And after that, the next is Darjeeling. 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 Darjeeling, that is situated in West Bengal, the state of West Bengal. Darjeeling. Darjeeling, that is situated in the state of West Bengal. And after that, on 9, there is Shimla. Shimla is situated in the state of Himachal Pradesh. Shimla, Shimla, that is related to Himachal Pradesh, that is situated in the state of Himachal Pradesh. And after that, the Panchmadi. Panchmadi is situated in Madhya Pradesh. Pachmarhi. Panchmadi. Panchmadi is situated in Madhya Pradesh, the state of Madhya Pradesh. And Panchmadi is related to Panch, Panchmadi. Okay, so let's revise once again. We have to revise it. On first there is Lonavala, 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 that is that is situated in Maharashtra. On second, Mount Abu, Mount Abu is situated in the state of Rajasthan. On third, that is Ooty, Ooty, that is situated in the state of Tamil Nadu. On fourth, there is Shillong, 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 that is situated in the state of Meghalaya. On fifth, there is Mannar, Mannar, that is situated in the state of Kerala. On sixth, that is Gulmarg, Gulmarg, that is situated in the state of Kashmir. And after that, the next is Mussoorie, 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 that is related to Uttarakhand and is situated in the state of Uttarakhand. On it, there is Darjeeling, 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 that is situated in the state of West Bengal. And after that, on 9, there is Shimla, Shimla, and that is situated in the state of Himachal Pradesh. And after that, on 10, that is Pachmadi, Pachmadi, Panchmadi, and that is situated in the state of Madhya Pradesh. Shimla was made the summer capital of India in 1816. In 1816, Shimla was made the summer capital of India. Shimla was made the summer capital of India in the 1860s. Okay. Now that's your homework. You have to do exercise chapter 18 in your CW copy, and you have to complete your fair copy up to chapter 17. Thank you.